guilty in an Oregon courtroom Tuesday to the state charges against struggling with the cockpit crew for nearly 30 seconds before they could. Person calmly walked to the rear of the plane where he allegedly told the flight and admitted to grabbing the red fire suppression handles to shut down.
He said he had taken hallucinogenic magic mushrooms before the flight.
I'm forever grateful to them and grateful to every guest on.